Are you frustrated because something went wrong with your computer? When your computer stops, your work stops. It's a huge problem. It's not easy to drop off to a repair shop. There could be a lot of traffic, or maybe the shop is closed, or maybe they can't deliver it on time. What if the repairs are shabby? What about extra charges? Burning the fuel, parking hassles, and the big sums to repair? Don't panic. Pckey Callout is here to help with no fix, no fee, same-day service. When you have a problem with your computer or network of computers in your business and home, you need to make sure you're dealing with a computer repair tech that has the knowledge and experience. Pckey Callout is the name you can trust. We have experienced computer engineer with solid reputation within the community. We are committed to saving you time and money and getting you up running as quickly as possible. Our trusted engineer will visit your house, assess the problem quickly, and fix it at the same time. Don't risk losing any more productivity due to faulty computers. Pckey Callout should be your first thought for your computer repair. No fix, no fee, same-day service. Our services include computers and laptop repair, all Windows installation, software errors and hardware faults, data retrieval and transfer, internet and Wi-Fi problems, virus, malware, and spyware removal. PC power failures are the few we solve all computer laptop problems. Contact us today at Pckey 077-687-70600, 08002-707-275, www.pckey-callout.co.uk.